Grand Rising. Good evening, good afternoon. How y'all people doing out there today? How my tribe doing? Everybody fine, everybody doing well, everything lovely, all is good. Great. So I just wanted to tap in with you guys, go over a few things, help you out, continue this journey that we on. Uh, Getting to the money, becoming successful, change the dynamics of the community, the so-called black community. Um, That's really what this is all about. It's changing the mindset and the dynamics of our community, um, one step at a time, using all the necessary tools that's available to us. CPN, trade lines, SSN, EIN, trust. We use all the tools available to us to change the dynamic of how we live and how we go about doing things. So that's what's most important. You got to get that in order. So I don't like to shuck and jive, get straight into it. Just want to give you guys a few tips on business lenders. Um, there's quite a few business lenders out there, but startups, a lot of people don't know where to go for the startup business lenders. So I just wanted to give you a little information on where you can go and check into it, get you some business vendors to start you off with the net 30s and net 60s. And what that means, net 30 gives you 30 days to pay it in full, not like a revolving account. Revolving account, you can pay a minimum balance, but 30-day net, that means it has to be paid off within 30 days, 60 days or 90 days. The earlier you pay it off, the better it is. That goes towards your Dun and Bradstreet number. So you can get your Dun and Bradstreet number free. If you don't know how to apply for a Dun and Bradstreet number, hit my line down below, as always. Email and phone number. Um, so you get you a Dun and Bradstreet number, then you can go out here and get you some starter lenders to start that journey off for improving your business score. So as you improve your business score, you get larger size loans. It's better to do loans business wise than personal. Business loans are 10 times more than you would get at a personal loan. So that's why it's more advantageous to go with the business loan than the personal loan or personal credit cards. You want business credit cards. And there are a lot of lenders. I ain't gonna say a lot of lenders, but there are a few good lenders out there, a substantial amount, where you can go and get you some business credit cards with just your social security number or using just your EIN number. What I'm advising you here to go step by step. We don't have to use your social security number to guarantee um, any of your loans or any of your what you're applying for. Just go strictly with the EIN number. You can go straight to like get you some few cards before you go to like Office Depot and stuff like that and get an account with them. Get some startups, a few other places like Nav. You can go to Nav, Quill. So you have to replay this. I'm just gonna go down the line, and it's just you might have seen a lot of other videos that's out there. We all are just regurgitating the same info. Um, Nobody really has no magic info. We just all good researchers. Really, that's what we are. Really great researchers, and we just put it together. And most of the people on YouTube who got a good channel or really giving some knowledge that you can use, we all really just searching the same places. We just putting in the work. That's all we doing. Some of us get to it a little faster than others, but at the end of the day, we're all doing the same thing. We all going through the same process, same banks, everything, same lenders. Some may know of others before another person know, but eventually that person will know as well. But sometimes you have to pay for that knowledge. You don't want to pay for any knowledge, you probably a flunky in school. You probably flunked out of school or something like that because you didn't want to continue. All education costs, even the systematic education and education outside of the system. Time and money. That's what it is. But here's a few startup lenders where you guys can go to, check with, and hopefully you'll get approved if you follow necessary steps. I have the business package for you if you want to purchase the business package. I have a business package to show you how to go step by step, establishing your LLC, uh, getting your DUNS number, EIN number, all that, step by step. Then you get to this part where after you do that, you want to go to some of these lenders here on my list and start establishing business credit. It's the best thing you can get is business credit. Cars and business credit, everything. House, business credit. You can buy a house with the business credit. Yes, absolutely. You don't have to do it in a personal account or a personal loan. You can do it in a business account, business loan for get a house, property, and let the business own the property. Then pass it along in the trust. Formulate that, put it in a trust, give it to the, and then pay less taxes. The Trump effect, the Robert Kiyosaki effect, and other gentlemen like that. So that's why I say it's constant elevation, cause expansion. I write my rhymes while I chill in my mansion. But I'm just jigging at y'all. I can do that too. So here we go. Nav, that's one place you can go. Quill, Granger, Uline, Summer Office Supplies, Fuelman, Strategic Network Solutions, Shell Fleet, Amsterdam Printing, 50% up front, Newegg Business, Capital Spark Classic, and Wells Fargo Secured, and you can also get an Apple Federal Credit Unit secure card, and then that'll graduate after so many payments. That'll graduate to an unsecured card. So those are places you can go to get you business starter vendors for your new LLC you done put together. Got your operating agreement together. Got your EIN. So when you go to those places, start off, you might have to start with a secure card or something, and then pay that. But start off somewhere, and then build that, get your DUNS number, build it up, and keep going. It's that simple. It's not that hard to do it. It takes time, a little effort, a little energy, but most of y'all bullshitting anyway. Got nothing out here to do. It's pandemic or whatever this is going on. They call it pandemic, whatever pandemic. But get money, damn it. That's what it is to me. It's to get money, damn it. While everybody else at the beach, at the mall, spending their stimulus, I'm stacking mine shit up, and I'm getting ready for the real thing that's about to hit. Y'all playing games. See, the real shit about to hit the fan. About 2021, I'm gonna be moneyed up. I got my silver in pocket, got some of my Bitcoin in pocket, so I'm getting in pocket. So if y'all best to follow suit, because I'm getting in pocket, and I'm gonna catch everything at a rock bottom price. All those things y'all accumulate now to sell later, I'm gonna be the one who gonna buy them. It's all about money, baby. I ain't no hard feelings. So if you think if it ain't about hot money, you keep doing what you doing. Keep working for them white folks or whoever type, black folks, whoever type of folks, Asian folks, whoever type of folks y'all work for. The best thing to do, in all seriousness, start working on yourself. Self, health, and wealth. Whew, that's a mean joint there, huh? Self, health, and wealth. Yes, that's what you need to be working on. You ain't working on self, health, and wealth. What you doing? Getting a bitch pregnant? Sucking a nigga John? No, baby, no, dog. Self, health, and wealth. Let's get that together. Family over bullshit. Tribe over bullshit. However you want to term it. That's what I'm talking about. Like the little boy told his dad, teach me the game, Ghost. Teach me the game, Kevin. Teach me the game, Malik. That's my spiritual name, Malik. Teach me the game. That's what I'm doing. Teaching y'all the game. But not the game to get fancy things. The game to get wealth, health, and success. Live a life with no stress. Forget all that other mess. I spit with the true gift of God. This boy been coming hard. I don't need no mob. I just roll dolo. From state to state, the boy used to get down pushing heavyweight. Put that to the past. It was the minor days when I was getting cash. But this the future. That's where we going. Like Jordan, nigga. I keep scoring. Well, I'm going to end it like this. Peace to the gods.